According to Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will actually win the bezel game, having narrower bezels than any other phone, including the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both of those can boast extremely narrow bezels, but the S25 Ultra will take things one step further in this regard. Here's what he stated: "I saw some S25 Ultra renderings, which are incredibly lovely, but I'm sorry I can't upload them. The tiny bezel exceeds all contemporary mobile phones, including Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Color options: blue. The rear cover is a lighter blue, and the middle frame is silver with a tinge of blue. Black. The rear cover is black, but the middle frame is silver. White. The back cover is white with silver, and the middle frame is very light silver. Gray. The back cover is gray with a tinge of gold, and the central frame is the same." The render above was designed for illustrative purposes, so we can understand what to expect from the device in terms of bezels. We're looking forward to seeing how that works. Upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. Samsung will formally reveal the Galaxy S25 devices on January 22 during the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. The event will take place in San Jose on January 22 at exactly 10 a.m. Pacific Time, which translates to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The leak date feels a little more genuine since it comes packed with a time and place, but it's still a rumor until Samsung announces the event. XR headset preview. Additionally, the firm will also preview their forthcoming XR headset. However, they didn't define what the headset will bring to the table. Thankfully, there have been multiple Samsung XR leaks previously, so we have a decent understanding of what to expect from the headset. Galaxy AI and Bixby. The incorporation of Galaxy AI has been acknowledged by several research groups as one of the primary reasons for the Galaxy S24 series sales increase. Samsung looks to be developing new and expanded features for the debut of the Galaxy S25, anticipated in early 2025. A tipster, presumably well-informed about the company's plans, suggests that this edition will signify the return of Bixby in a revived form. Bixby might also fit into this ecosystem with no plans to replace its voice assistant. Samsung earlier this year said it was dedicated to enhancing it via generative artificial intelligence, and that strategy still looks to be in place. According to tipster Ice Universe, Samsung allegedly views Google Assistant as more of a rival than a complement. Choosing between S25 Ultra and S23 Ultra. Next, if you're trying to select between the S25 Ultra and the S23 Ultra, it's a matter of whether to wait or not. If you're shopping for a new Android phone, you might be contemplating Samsung Galaxy. The S-series models come in numerous versions, with the Ultra being the high-end option. The latest model is the Samsung Galaxy S24, but you can save by going with an older model or alternatively receive the best of the best if you decide to wait for the impending S25 Ultra. Speculation and design. When it comes to how the S25 Ultra appears, this is just guesswork based on leaked renders. It appears to have a larger screen that some estimate could hover around 6.9 inches, a bit larger than the 6.8-inch screen of the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra for that matter. It may also be lower in weight, with curved edges for easy handling, coupled with flat sides and front and skinnier bezels. It's expected that the phone will have the same protective aluminum frame with a titanium option as the current generation Galaxy S24 Ultra has, mixed with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. As with the previous Galaxy Ultra variants, the anticipation is that it will come with an S Pen as well.